From a little over 200 pesos for a gasoline budget, the weekly expense of motorist and utility worker William has now reached 300 pesos due to successive increases in petroleum prices.
Malaki po ma'am, pagkano. Malaki pong diferensya po.
Pambili mo na yun ng ano, sir?
Opo, pagbili na po ng dagdag pang gatas na po sa anak po.
In recent trading days, the price of imported petroleum in the global market has further surged. Increases range from 6 pesos to as much as 13 pesos per liter of oil. To help reduce expenses of workers and energy consumption amid the ongoing conflict in the Middle East that is driving prices higher and tightening crude supply in the world market, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. is open to studying the proposal in the Senate to implement a 4-day work week.
Sa ngayon po ay maaaring pag-aralan po ng Pangulo ang ganyang suwestyon, lalo na kung magiging malala pa po ang nangyayaring Israel-Iran issue.
According to Senator Win Gatchalian, a 4-day work week may be implemented in exchange for longer working hours each day. This means workers would render up to 10 hours a day to complete the 40-hour work week. 1 day of work in the week may also be done through a work-from-home setup. William, who has a 2-year-old child, is in favor of the idea.
Pabor po ako ma'am para po maka-minus gastos po sa gasolina. So, dagdag oras po sa pamilya po pag mapalitan ko din minsan pag-alaga yung asawa ko para makapahinga din po siya po.
Broadcast traffic enforcer Mac, however, has a different view.
Parang mas magastos. Kasi mag-iiba yung pagkain mo, yung value, yung ganon, yung gastos mo ng kain, imbis na nandoon sa bahay. Kasi madalas ang sistema namin is yung tanghalian namin hanggang gabi na naulam. Eh kung maglulong hours ka sa office, magiging cargo ko na yung pagkain, lahat extend.
To ease the burden of rising oil prices and its effect on essential services and commodities, Malacanang says that it's timely to study and discuss granting special powers to the President of the Philippines. This would allow the reduction or suspension of the excise tax on petroleum.
Gusto lamang po niya sana ay magkaroon po siya ng power, pero temporary lamang po ito. At sa panahon po na ganito, na biglaan po may nangyayaring ganitong hidwaan, kinakailangan din po tayo makaagapay sa ating mga kababayan, lalo kung sobrang taas po ng presyo po ng krudo.
President Marcos Jr. earlier said he will discuss the matter with leaders of the House of Representatives and the Senate. He also ordered government agencies to conserve fuel, avoid unnecessary travel, and encourage carpooling. This is Sharms Espina from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.